To enable the performance mode on the Xiaomi 17, you can, for example, open settings and then scroll down a little bit in order to proceed to battery. Once you go to battery settings, then over here we should be able to find the current mode option, and if you tap on it, then we have the selection of different modes, different battery modes, including the performance mode. Over here we have a description that of course we can increase the power consumption because of this, and we can also may experience the overheating issues. But as a result, the device performance is going to be improved, at least in theory, of course. We can turn it off by switching back to balanced, and also instead of going to settings, you can add the performance mode button into the control center. So if we go to the control center, we can tap on edit at the bottom of the screen, and then in here we can look for the performance mode, which we can easily add over here. Then we can use this check in the upper right corner to save our changes, and now we can use this button to quickly toggle the performance mode. Leave a like and subscribe.